Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to connect your monitor, an old monitor that doesn't have a HDMI port, to a VGA cable TV. I used a little adapter that I got off eBay for €5 and it's pretty simple. First step was just to plug it into the television, or the monitor I mean, and tighten the screws. I was taking too long because I was turning it the wrong way at first, but you can learn from that. And yeah, I picked it up for €5 on eBay. It was very cheap, came quick, and it really solved my solution. Now, I'm making this video because I had a couple of problems myself with it, and I thought that I would share them with you so that you don't have to go through them. The next step is to actually change the resolution of your device. Today I'm using Xbox Series S to connect to my monitor. So you've got to go in and you've got to change it from 180p to 720. It depends maybe if your monitor takes 180p, but mine doesn't, and I don't think most monitors using VGA will. So you've got to turn that down, otherwise you'll get a signal on your thing saying out of bounds or out of range. I'll show you that after. But yeah, once you change that, you go into settings and you'll see how you can change it to 720, and then you should be all good to go. Now there's an important stage here. You've got to actually click yes on the left here so that the resolution doesn't go back after 20 seconds. Otherwise, once you take it off, it's just going to go right back to 180p and you'll have to do it again. Now that is done, you can go ahead and connect your HDMI. So I'm going to just plug that in there, and we are all set to go. It is set at 720. You'll get resolution. Now mine resets like now in a second. You'll see it like flicker out, but then it comes back. I'm literally just waiting for it. Oh, because we don't get it this time. So we are all set to go, and I will show you some footage of me using it, the Xbox, just to show how it performs with response time and everything. But that worked perfect for me, and hopefully that helps with your connection. And just to even show you what happens when you don't change it to 180p resolution is that it will completely go off, and it will tell you out of range, and it depends on your monitor, but usually it's out of range, it says. It will actually turn on 20 seconds, because remember the original setting I told you about pressing yes or no on the original monitor? Well, that's where it changes. So after 20 seconds, this is going to go back to 720p and we'll be all good again. So anyway, I hope this was helpful and that you'll be able to connect your monitor to your Xbox, PC, whatever. It's kind of the same process for PC. I'm pretty sure you can just change it down to the right resolution for your monitor and you'll be all good. But yeah, it was a very nice little piece of kit. It only cost me €5 on eBay, and I've got a working Xbox now, which is great. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Just the last issue that I had with this monitor was that the aspect ratio was way off. So whenever I actually first plugged in the Xbox and had it working, the screen was like way off. It looks like perfect now, you can see like the way it is, but it's actually a really weird aspect ratio on it. I think it's like, I can't even tell you. It's 1050p, which is really weird, but what that caused it to be way offline. So I actually had to try and calibrate my TV, which you can change here. And so this is actually to do with the settings on your television. I don't think this does much, but I just went through it anyway, just to get a better visual experience. So here you'll see the lines that you need for aspect ratio and sharpness. So what I did in this monitor, it's probably going to be very different in others, but the same idea is that on the top, I went into menu, and this brings up here. So from the top, there's down buttons here, whatever. And I went to screen and across. Oops, made a mistake. And we're back. Across, down, and I went to auto config and pressed OK. And OK again. So my screen actually started just to move around and fill in the corners. You may see it moving there, but there's very minimal change because it had already been completed before. But yeah, if you have an issue where your screen is like way offline and you've got loads of area where you can't see, just go to your settings and change the configuration of the aspect ratio and you should be all good. So hopefully that helps.
Here's just some gameplay of me thrashing some children on this game, and I hope it will help you see how well the monitor performs under the VGA adapter. The one last comment I'll say is that I think VGA adapters are quite important compared to just VGA to HDMI cables, because the adapter helps transmit the connection from HDMI to VGA. So I don't think it's that important, but maybe it's worth noting just in case you need that information. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.